You are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and today we are going to be looking at how to attract favor, money, luck, and wealth into your life and your home using cinnamon and camphor. Okay, you are welcome back. Cinnamon is a spice to so many people, but for those of us who really knows the importance and the spiritual benefit of cinnamon, it is more than a spice. It is something that you use to attract all the good things of life to yourself. Talking about positive things, talking about wealth, talking about money, talking about favor, luck. Cinnamon will do the job for you perfectly. From ages immemorial, cinnamon has been used in various cultures and has been used as seasoning, it has been used as a medicine. It is also used as spiritual enhancement. So in this video, we are looking at the spiritual benefit of cinnamon. And we are not looking at cinnamon alone. We are looking at cinnamon in relationship with camphor. So, what are the ingredients that we are going to be needing? We are going to be needing cinnamon stick or powder. Cinnamon stick or powder. 2, we are going to be needing camphor. Block camphor, the camphor, block camphor. Then 3, we are going to be needing incense burner. The incense burner might be manual or the electric type. So let us get into it. How do you prepare this particular recipe? It's going to be in 2 steps. The first one, we want to burn our camphor. And how do we burn our camphor? We are going to be using our incense burner to burn our camphor. Incense burner, if it is the manual one, then there must be charcoal in it. But if it is the electric type, then you need the activated charcoal. So once you get that, just drop 3 pieces or 4 pieces, between 3 and 5 pieces of the camphor, the block type. Drop it inside the incense burner. What you need there is for the camphor to burn, and when it's burning, the flame will be bringing out the aroma or the scent of camphor. And the benefit of doing this is that it will rid your home of negativity. It will rid your home of negativity. And why do you need to do this? You need to do this because negativity will not allow you to attract good things into your life and your home. If you are feeling low, you are feeling kind of negative, you are feeling down, or things are probably not working, or you have a low spirit, then you need to burn this camphor to get rid of this negativity. So that is the first step. The second step, after doing this, and you have to do this, the best time to do this is in the evening. Before going to bed, in the evening. You have to do it. You can do it other time, but the best time to do it is in the evening. So you now move to the second step. The second step is to get your cinnamon. Get your cinnamon, preferably the powder. We need the powder. If you cannot get the powder, if it is the stick one that you get, then you have to crush the stick one. You crush it and turn it into powder. So the powder, you just take the powder, and this is my powder, my cinnamon powder. You can see this is the powder, and this is the way it's looking. This is the way it's looking. So all you need to do is just take few and just sprinkle. You sprinkle at the four corners of your home, of all the rooms in your home. If you have multiple rooms in that your apartment, then you have to sprinkle it at the corners of each room in your home. And if you have a single room apartment, then it has to be the four corners of that apartment. That's number one. Then the second one is you have to go to your door, the main entrance, the main door. That is the front door that leads to your home. You go there, you sprinkle some outside the door, at the corners outside the door. You sprinkle some. Then behind the door, you also sprinkle some. And what will this one do? This will definitely attract positivity into that home. Cinnamon has been used to attract good vibes, good energy, positive energy, luck, money, favor into your home. And that feeling of goodness will come to your home and to your life. This one is very simple but straightforward, and it works. A lot of people have been doing this and it works. I do it. A lot of people do it. And there are testimonies following this. I've previously done a video talking about this. I've done other videos talking about cinnamon. The efficacy of cinnamon does not need introduction again. Almost everybody at one time or the other uses cinnamon. So it is very simple. The first one is you burn camphor. This is my block camphor. I've used part of this. This is my block camphor, and this is a piece. This is a piece. This is a piece. It's as simple as this. This is a piece. It's as simple as this. So, but this is the block. So you get pieces like this. You need between 3 and 5. Put it in your incense burner. Light your incense burner and drop it inside the burner, and the fragrance will fill your home. And as the flame is coming out, it's filling your home, is driving away negativity. Now, the next step is to now sprinkle your cinnamon. When you now sprinkle your cinnamon into the four corners of each room in your house or in your apartment. Then you sprinkle at the main entrance, the main door to your house, the entrance, the outside entrance and the inner entrance. You just sprinkle it, and this will attract positivity, luck, goodness, money and wealth into your home and your life. Do this and you see the result. This one does not need a lot of story. You just see the benefit instantly. You are through with this. You feel the positive energy coming into your life. And like I said, the best time to do this is in the evening. It's in the evening. First do the negativity ritual, that is the burning the camphor. Then after then you now do this, then you go ahead to go and sleep. When you wake up, you see the aura, the aroma around you, the aura surrounding you. The positivity is something that you yourself will not be able to talk about. And this is very good. It's a very good monthly ritual. If you can do it at the beginning of every month, then you will see the immense value. But if you cannot wait till the beginning of a new month, then you can do it straight away. You can do it straight away. This one is not diabolical. You are not, there is no incantation. There is no incantation. But the good thing about it is nothing spoils it. It gets rid of negativity. Both the camphor and the cinnamon get rid of negativity, and they bring positivity to your life. Just do it this way and see the result. You can do it, and it's not compulsory you use 3 or 3 or 4 or 5. You can use more than that if you feel like. You can use more than that. You can use the whole pack if you want, just to make sure the fragrance fill your home, the entire home, and make sure you spread this very well, and you come and thank me for this. By the way, if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos like this, will be the next to be notified. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being there for me. Make sure you like, share, and comment as usual, and by the grace of God, we can actually succeed together. Thank you.